welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. You don't want to miss my videos. And yeah, today's haul is a Dollar Tree haul. $1.25. I'm not tired. I don't know why I'm yawning. But everything is $1.25 I'm going to show you. And yeah. So I'm pre-filming a lot of videos before my surgery because I'm not going to be able to really film with one arm because I'm having shoulder surgery. So yeah, so I'm trying to film as much as I can. So, but yeah, let's get into it. Subscribe. So first thing I got is this Breyer's Natural Strawberry Scented Candle. And this smells so good. It makes me just want ice cream. But we got that. Then we got the Mixed Berry Cute Chapstick. How cute are these though? So we got that. And then we got the Cotton Candy one, which is definitely my favorite. Then we got the Marie Claire Tinted Lip Oil in Cherry. Then we just got the Must Have Beauty Foundation brush, like the older version, because I do like this brush for powder. So we got that. Then we got the LA Colors Sunkissed Pink Blush, like this beach collection. I am obsessed with this shade. Like, let me just show you guys how pretty it is if you haven't seen it. Like, I'm obsessed with that shade. So, this is going in my beach bag. Then I got one of my favorite primers, the Glow Up Gel Primer. Then we got the Juicy Cakes Tinslip Pink Orange Crush Chapstick. Then we got the Sweet Lips Sweet Pineapple Scented and the Guava Pineapple Scented. Love these. Let's keep going. Then we got the LA Colors Hello Sweets Lip Liner and Lip Gloss Duo. Then we got the Hello Sweets little lip gloss. See, again, I don't know what scent this is because it does not say it. We got that. I'm not tired. Why do I keep yawning? Then we got the Very Cheeky Lip and Cheek Oil in Very Cherry. I'm obsessed with this makeup line. Got that. Then we got one of my favorite lip stains, the Precise Tip for a Cleaner Look in Azalea. Love that. Then we got the LA Colors little, like, older collection, the Halloween collection. I got the black lipstick and black lip liner just because, I don't know, I think it's kind of fun. And for Halloween and stuff, for parties or whatever. Then we got the Hello Sweets in the Strawberry Tart. Then I'm on like a matcha scent kick lately. So we got the Boba Milk Tea Lip Gloss and matcha. Then we got the lip gel and cheek tint and peony. Then we got the little Smooth Monday for curly hair shampoo. This is good for travel. Then we got the lip gloss from the little Seashell collection in Make Waves. I'm obsessed with this color. Then we got the Moana facial wipes in Hibiscus Coconut. Can't wait to smell these. Then we got two oldies, but these are my favorite little lip matte inks in Peach Berry and Roseberry. So that's that. We got the micro-filling brow tattoo in Calm Brown. We got some old collections in this haul too, just because they came back and I love it. We got the blush stick in Soft Coral. I love this on the cheeks. Then we got the lip mask in Red. I love this. Then my favorite pumpkin gloss stick, and this one is in Rose. Then we got the Honey Ginger pumpkin gloss. Then we got the apple scented little lip mask in Snow White. I love this. Then we got a tongue scraper because, you know, just because. Then we got the Sweet Shop Little Lip Balm. Again, I don't know the flavor. I want to say macaron because there's macarons all over it. Got that. Then we got the Very Cherry Lip Balm in a Tinslip Pink. Love this stuff. Then we got the Very Cherry Lip and Cheek Oil. Again, tints our lips. Then, of course, we got the blush balm. And then we got the Energizing Glow Mist in Cherry Melon. We got a couple more bags for us all. Okay, next bag. We got the Creamy Serum Blush in Sweet Pink. I love this blush. Then, everything's falling. We got the Fudgsicle Fudge Pop Candle. How cute is that though? Then we've got the Moana Lip Mask in Coconut. Then we got the Blush Cream Stick in Ruby. Love this one. Then the Blush Stick in Raspberry. Then we got the Amber Glow Aluminum Free Deodorant in Pink Vanilla. Let's smell this. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, that's a good thing it's sealed actually. You can't. Okay, I was gonna try to smell it through the paper, but you can't. And okay, there we go. Let's smell it. Okay, well, I can't get the cap off. Literally. Watch, it will fly across the room. Am I that dumb that I can't get a cap off? Seriously. Oh, there we go. Oh, that smells really good. And it was sealed, but it flew off onto the floor. But that does smell good. Then we got the Ammo Radiant Skin Leg and Foot Hydrating Serum. This stuff is fantastic. So, got that. Then we got the Spa wristbands in blue. I'm glad these came back because I needed a new pair. So we got the blue. Then we got the Energizing Glow Mist Dewy Finish Spray. Needed a restock. Then, of course, I had to get the pink wristbands too. My travel bag. Then we got the Blush Stick in Raspberry. I think you can use this on your lips too. Yep, cheeks and lips. I love a good pink on the lips and cheeks. Then we got the Matte Lipstick in Warm Toffee. I love this color. So that's what it looks like. So we got that. Then we got the LA Colors Pure Magic Lip Liner and Lip Liner Duo is what I meant to say. So that one. And Dreamy Delight. So that is that bag. Well, that is the end of this haul. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed. Definitely found some goodies, and yeah. Won't be shopping as much after my surgery, so I'll be watching TikTok to find the good finds once I can. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.